Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. Welcome to today's edition of The Bottom Line. Here are the top headlines. All Afghans must travel to India only on e-visa, according to Ministry of Home Affairs. Hyderabad Airport records over 7 lakh passengers in July. UAE temporarily suspends visa on arrival facility for Indians with UK-US visas. Sri Lanka green light for Covaxin opens quarantine free for fully vaccinated Indian tourists. Travel and tourism within India is gaining momentum, according to Syed Junaid Altaf. Vistara Indigo gained market share despite pandemic headwinds. The Ministry of Home Affairs said that all Afghan nationals willing to travel to India must do so only on e-visa. Keeping in view some reports that certain passports of Afghan nationals have been misplaced, previously issued visas to all Afghan nationals who are presently not in India stand invalidated with immediate effect, a Home Ministry spokesperson said. The Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad recorded more than 7 lakh passengers in July this year. According to sources, from around 10,000 passengers on June 1, the number of passengers increased almost thrice and crossed 29,000 on a single day on July 18th. In total, the airport witnessed more than 6.8 lakh domestic passengers and more than 50,000 international travelers during July. UAE has temporarily suspended visa on arrival facility for Indian nationals who have visa or residence permit issued by the United States, the United Kingdom or European Union member state. This was announced by Etihad Airways on Twitter. The UAE authorities have decided to temporarily suspend the visa on arrival facility for passengers who are arriving from or being in India in the past 14 days, a tweet from Etihad said. That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. Thank you for joining us. For more such travel and tourism industry updates, stay tuned till tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.